Hi everyone, welcome to day one of my RevenueCat Hackathon journey. And I would like to thank you all for showing support for my day zero video. And many of you have asked me why am I doing these videos, what am I planning. So let me explain. I'm participating in a hackathon conducted by RevenueCat, which is a Shipathon 2026. So for this hackathon, we are going to develop apps, build apps, and we're gonna ship it for the platforms like Play Store, App Store, and Samsung Galaxy Store. So there are certain categories where we can participate in this hackathon for. There are 21 categories where we can participate in. There is a grand prize for this hackathon. There is a built-in public award. The certain core awards like Best Game Award, Revenue Cat Peace Prize Award, a Design Award, and much more. There are influencer awards where they have selected five influencers and they have some uh, problems and they need an app for build use cases based on the apps based on the problems. And there are some sponsored categories award. So what is my plan is that I'm going to participate in one of the category which is the built-in public award, so where I will have to record my journey throughout the process of this hackathon. uh, so I'll be posting videos daily based on my progress what I've made each day. And I would also like to participate in the ship Kotlin everywhere award. So basically I'm going to build my application with Kotlin, a language which I've never used before. So I'm going to wipe code with that, and I'm going to publish the app in both Play Store as well as App Store. So let's see how it goes. And I have decided the app which I'm going to build. So the app is going to be Guardian, which is going to be a personal uh, guardian for you with your mobile. So I've been brainstorming with ChatGPT and making prompts. So I've made a prompt and I have used Figma for building a design for it. So I've used the same prompt which I'm going to use it now. So Figma had given me a design which I can refer to for building. Uh, I think it's a pretty good design here. So it says, "Good evening, Ashwin," and there is like a location, where am I, what is the battery percentage, what is the network, and walk. There is a feature called "Walk with Me," safe arrival when you're work when you're driving or something. You can start a trip. You can share your location to your close ones. You can add your family to it, and you have emergency SOS. I'll show this. So journey, you'll have your map. You can share this to your guardians. So guardians are basically your family members or close ones, and you can have multiple guardians there. You will have insights, your profile, and what I believe in this app is that like we have this SOS messages. So basically, we are not using it daily. I mean anywhere. So I want my app to send SOS messages directly based on any anomalies detected. So if suppose let's consider I'm traveling from my office to home and I have an accident in between. So my phone can detect any accident and send out a message to my close friends, which is my family. Send out a message and notify them that yes, I'm in trouble. They can come help us. So this is what my plan is. So here, as I said, there is SOS directly. We can say emergency SOS. So it will send messages to your close ones, your guardians. So this is my plan. Let's see how it works. I have created a prompt for it. Let's try to build it with cursor. So I have created a folder named Guardian. I have not built anything yet. I have not a single file in this. So let me try to create a post. So I've given a post. Working name is Guardian. The personal safety intelligence is the tagline for this, and much more things I have mentioned based on the use cases of the application which I'm going to build. So let me provide this prompt to the cursor. Let's see. Let me switch to plan mode. Let's see how this is going to work. This might take some time. So I'm not going to create anything manually. What I'm planning is that the AI is going to do all the job for me. I'm going to just write code. I'm going to prompt the AI, and if any minor tweaks need required, I'll be doing it. Rather than that, 95% is going to be done by the AI. So this is what my plan is. So not created a single file in this. I've given a prompt uh, regarding all the plans which I have for the app. So let's see how it goes. The same prompt I have used for creating this design. So this is what Figma had created for me. Let's see what uh, cursor can do it for me. Okay, it's asking me some question. I will go with option B. I will go with option A. So yes, so cursor have created a plan for me. So have created an architecture for me, architecture diagram. Yes. So a structure how the file should look like, system designs, what should happen in the phase. Let's see. Let's give it a build. Let's see what my plan is now. So I'm using a pro plan. Oh, just started today. 1% use. So yeah, after some time, the cursor have told me that all the nine to-dos have been completed. It had worked for 27 minutes and 56 seconds. But I could still see there are some errors in the backend infra and packages. So I've asked it to review it and fix it. So let's see what it is going to fix, how it is going to be. We can see all these apps all the folders and files are created by uh, cursor. I've fixed the issues. So basically, I don't know how to run this on my phone. So yes. Let me switch it to ask mode. I open the terminal. Okay, so it is asking me to run this commands. ABD devices, extra, maybe fold command. I'm not sure why I'm getting these errors. I'm facing issues to run the application on my phone. It is not able to build the APK on my phone. I think I will have to learn how to build an APK and run it on my phone. So let's see that on next video tomorrow. By then, let me learn how to build a APK, how to run it on my phone. I should know some basics for building the application. So let's catch up tomorrow again. Let's figure out how to run this. Thank you all. Thank you for watching.